Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for breaking down the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Be Healthy KF94 mask for kids. The Posh KF94 Kids Mask in the Little Dreamers edition. Now, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. First, it's not just any kid's mask. This is a KF94 rated mask, meaning it filters out at least 94% of particles as small as PM0.4. That's incredibly effective, especially when you want your kids to be protected in crowded or polluted environments. This pack comes with 10 individually wrapped masks, which is not just hygienic but super convenient for parents who want to toss one into a lunch bag or a backpack without worrying about contamination. And it's not just functional, these masks are stylish, too. The Little Dreamers set comes in shades of blue, pink, orange, yellow, and green. It adds a splash of color and fun that kids genuinely love, making them more likely to actually wear the mask and keep it on throughout the day. One of the most impressive things about this mask is its build quality. It features premium 4-layer electrostatic filters. That might sound technical, but here's the bottom line. It's designed to block out fine particles while still being breathable. And thanks to the wide 3D structure, there's extra room inside the mask, making breathing easier and talking clearer. The comfort factor doesn't stop there. The adjustable ear loops and the comfortable nose wire help secure the mask in place without hurting your child's ears or leaving marks. There's also anti-fog and anti-slip features built in, a real plus if your child wears glasses or is always on the move. Now, let's talk about size. Each mask is 7 inches in length and 5 inches in height when unfolded. It's labeled as a small size, ideal for children, and designed specifically with a child's face in mind. That's important because Korea is known for its stringent manufacturing standards when it comes to protective equipment. The KF94 certification itself is issued by the Korean FDA, so you're getting a product that adheres to a strict quality control process. Another thoughtful touch is the packaging. Each mask is individually wrapped, so you're not opening a big box and exposing the rest. That means more convenience, less waste, and safer storage. Unfortunately, there's a caveat if you're shopping from certain countries. At the time of recording, Amazon states this item can't be shipped to all locations, including India. So, make sure to check your delivery eligibility before placing an order. And just so you know, this isn't a sponsored video. We're just highlighting a product that ticks all the right boxes when it comes to safety, design, and convenience for kids. In a market filled with disposable masks that barely do the job, the Be Healthy Posh KF94 Kids Mask rises above. It's colorful, breathable, certified, and designed with real-world usage in mind. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns right here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.